And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube. In the last video I tried to show you how to use this with this 18 volt, I guess it's an impact drill. Then I also tried to show you with this one, which went dead on me and I still haven't charged. So I brought in the big guns, the 20 volt Dewalt, and since I'm in the garage I might as well show you. I will show you what this does. Of course I better put a glove on because I notoriously like getting sliced my hands up with sheet metal, so basically it's aluminum, but I'm just going to go like this. So this thing slices absolutely delicious. Not really a curve. Works beautiful. Okay. I mean, it doesn't really help that this thing is on round. I mean, if I curve down, see, look. So anyway, my impression is if you want a cheap little thing to cut sheet metal, buy one of these. They're 50 bucks on Amazon. I paid $39 on sale at Runnings. They're $95 in Canada. Free shipping on Amazon for like $52. So yeah, buy one. If you want to buy a better quality one, buy the Melco one. Melco one is made a lot better than this, as far as I'm concerned. And enjoy. Great little tool, does the job. Don't have to worry about the batteries dying on it. And you don't have to worry about the cord getting cut off or using a pneumatic tool. Awesome tool. Hope you like it. Enjoy.